Here's a 5-layer knife I just finished in blue and yellow. 2 custom blades, titanium scales. These are custom blades I have made by SAK World Custom in Ukraine. This one I call the fillet blade, but I serrated the edge. And the knife has a unique feature also, in that it has this fork and bottle opener. The rest of it are standard parts: pliers, scissors. But for Backtools, I have the Phillips driver. Don't really need this, but the Phillips driver from the 58mm and nail file on the hook shank of the hook from the compact knife. So what do you think? 2 blades, 5 layers, deep carry clip. Check out Masters, select sak.com. All the best.